Hello Jenny lovers, you're welcome once again to Jennifer Chris. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be making a friend's hair using this particular French curls that I created by myself. You guys, I have a video of how I created a French curls, a do-it-yourself video on French curls. I'll be leaving the cards on the screen. You guys, if you've not watched that video, go and watch it to know in details and to watch in details how I created that French curls. So in today's video, I'll be making a friend's hair with these French curls that I created by myself. You guys, I'll be making a box braid. Yes. So you guys, keep watching and enjoy watching.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.